Your WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast on CW4 with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
We indeed had some record cold today. A record cold high temperature set in Tupelo, 28 degrees. Same story in Starkville, a high of 29, a record low of 10. Columbus, likely record highs and lows. That data usually trickles in a little bit later, but cold across the board. Cold enough for this 16-inch long icicle in West Alabama. Look at that. And perfect snowflakes. The air was so dry today, so cold, but just enough moisture for those flurries, and we got those perfect little crystals. Very fluffy snow, highly unusual this far south. Here's Lily, our first alert forecast, enjoying the snow and the ice, we think, enjoying it. Tomorrow, a chance for some more snow and ice in the region. We start out around 20 degrees and then back into the 30s, hopefully above freezing by the end of the day in many spots here, but we will see how things go. Our time lapses from our bank first camera in Columbus, Louisville, Mississippi, Vernon at Durham. You can see some of those flurries flying, and in Tupelo, increasing clouds this afternoon. A pretty nice sunset, but those clouds coming on in now, foreshadowing that system coming on in for tomorrow night, and for Thursday. So we're advertising lows tonight, mid-teens. A few degrees warmer perhaps than where we were this morning. Tomorrow, mid-30s for highs. It may take some time to get here, perhaps later on in the day into tomorrow night. We talked about this earlier. Some snow possible, ice and sleet, yes. Cold air, it's with us now. Power problems are possible, and more travel issues starting tomorrow morning, lasting into Thursday with this next system coming on in. Already developing in Texas, we've got snow, we've got sleet, freezing rain, and some rain too. This whole thing will wrap on up and move our way. We have the winter weather warnings, advisories, and a new winter storm watch for northwestern Alabama. So let's just break this down for you. Ice potential, anywhere from 1/10 of an inch to 3/10 of an inch in these shaded areas in pink. There could be some local areas that see some higher amounts if a band of freeze and rain can set up around here. So mainly the western and northwestern parts of the region where it could be a little bit colder. As we check out the snow potential, again across the northwestern part of the area, maybe a coating to 1 inch to 2 or 3 inches, even higher totals back to the northwest. Now, we mentioned the chance that we may warm up above freezing, especially across our southeastern zones at some point tomorrow and tomorrow night. That could support a lot of rain, anywhere from 1/2 inch to perhaps 1 to 1.5 inches of rain or more, especially to the southeast. So there's definitely some rain potential with the system that would wash away a lot of this slush and ice if we get it. If is the key word. So chilly tomorrow morning. The moisture starts to build in by early afternoon, maybe as more sleet and freezing rain than anything else. Temperatures will be getting very close to freezing as this moisture comes on in. So it's going to be critical where this freezing line sets up. Rain to the south, sleet, freezing, rain, and snow to the north. And that band could shift north or south depending on how this thing goes. And we think the southeastern areas tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, more rain chances versus the northwest that will have the better chance for some freezing potential, precipitation here. And some of that moisture could linger into our Thursday too. So here's your AccuWeather 7-day. We got this wintry weather possible tomorrow and Thursday, chilly highs. Friday, Saturday, more sunshine. We're out of the deep freeze this weekend, and a week from today, a shot at low 60s.